Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. A long time I'm gonna make a juice for you guys, so let's go. We're gonna make a green, healthy green smoothie for you, alright? Protein plus fiber plus vitamin A. Complete meal, alright? So here I have 1/3 cup of oats, and you can do it just like that, but I'm gonna put like a little bit of water to the oats. Mix it around like that. And I'm gonna leave it for like 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. I have some spinach in the blender. I'm gonna put half of banana for sweet, and I have half of carrot. I just shred it on the grater. I use this side, all right? And I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of sea moss gel. I will leave a link for that. And you can add some honey like this, but I'm not gonna put any honey. The banana is there. All right, over here I have my protein powder. I make this one, guys. My son bought it on Amazon, and I bought my pea powder and my spirulina merengue. Put 1 scoop. My merengue, if you want me to make it, I will show you. My pea powder, my wheatgrass, what else, hemp powder, what else, something else, beetroot powder, and more. And more, guys. All right, so we're gonna use some unsweetened almond. I'm gonna put like a cup. Ooh, see, about 1.5 cups. And now I'm gonna put the oats. I do it like that, guys, so it won't hurt my tummy. Put a little bit more, and that's it. All right, guys, now we're gonna blend away. I hope the blender plugged in here. Just cover it, and we're gonna blend. Wow. Okay, let's serve up some. All right, guys, we're gonna pour some in, but first I'm gonna put some ice. You don't have to. And this is how it's looking. Quick and easy to make. Just blend it until it's really creamy and smooth, and that's it. That's you can have it in the morning, lunchtime. No, it's like brunch. It's 11:30 now, so you can have it now, dinner time, before your workout, after your workout. It's a complete protein, fiber, super smoothie. All right, guys, really good. Have your vitamins here, your vitamin A, your fiber, antioxidants from the sea moss, gonna clean and build your immune system. Vitamin A again from the spinach, and more vitamins. Protein from your pea, and that one there, the pea protein. All right, guys, so this is it. I'm gonna taste it. All right, my son made it the other day. I'm like, but he didn't put any sea moss. I'm like, I'm here, that's a oats one. Yeah, so I said, okay, let me make it. He made another one, guys, and I'm gonna try it for you. I'm not gonna tell you here now. I'll try it next time and show you, and it tastes so good. Just 2 ingredients he used, I think 3. All right, this is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. All right, guys, let me taste it. All right, guys, let's taste it. It's so good, guys. And it's not sweet. If you like it sweet, add the whole finger of banana, or you can add some honey. All right, but I'm not doing the sweet thing today. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. See, just add like a tablespoon or a teaspoon of honey if you want it really sweet, or you can add the whole finger of banana, but this one is not sweet, but it's good, refreshing and nice. And it's thick. Wait, it's thick, guys, and it's healthy. Okay. Bye, guys, have a good day.